Meet the Crassula Hummel Sunset, a golden jade that glows like a miniature sunset in your home. Crassula Hummel Sunset, or the golden jade, is a beautiful succulent with glossy green leaves edged in yellow and red. The more sunlight it gets, the deeper the colors become, just like a sunset coming to life. It grows slowly, forming a small tree-like shape with thick stems and plump leaves. Easy to care for and long-living, it's perfect for beginners and brings luck, prosperity, and warmth to any space. Light plays a huge role in how vibrant your Hummel's sunset looks. It loves bright, indirect sunlight. The best spot is near a south or west-facing window where it can soak up gentle morning light. Avoid harsh afternoon sun directly through glass, which can scorch the leaves. If you notice the plant stretching, leaning toward the window, or losing color, that's a sign it's not getting enough light. Move it closer to the light, or use a grow light to help it keep its rich color. Outdoors, place it where it gets morning sun and afternoon shade for that perfect balance. With the right lighting, your Crassula will shine with deep greens and glowing red edges, like a living piece of sunset. When it comes to watering, less is more. Follow the soak and dry method. Water deeply until you see it draining out. Then let the soil dry out completely before watering again. This helps prevent overwatering and keeps the roots healthy. In spring and summer, water when the top inch of soil feels dry. During fall and winter, reduce the frequency. Your plant prefers a little rest in the cooler months. Keep a steady rhythm, and your Hummel's sunset will stay plump, colorful, and happy all year long. For soil, go with a well-draining cactus or succulent mix. You can add some perlite or pumice to improve airflow and prevent soggy roots. A pot with drainage holes is a must. Terracotta pots are ideal since they let excess moisture escape easily. If you prefer a decorative pot without holes, keep your plant in a small nursery pot inside it, and don't forget to pour out any leftover water after watering. Crassula Hummel's sunset loves warmth. Keep it in a stable environment between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius, with cooler nights around 55 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 degrees Celsius, to encourage steady growth. If winter gets chilly, move your plant indoors and place it by a bright window. It also adapts well to normal household humidity. Just make sure there's good airflow to keep the leaves dry and healthy. Repot your plant every 2 to 3 years, or when it starts outgrowing its pot. When repotting, gently remove the old soil, check the roots, and trim any that look mushy before placing it into a fresh mix. It's best to do this during the active growing season, spring or early summer, so the plant can recover quickly. If your Crassula becomes too leggy or uneven, don't worry. A little pruning can help shape it back. Use clean scissors to trim long stems, ideally in spring or early summer. This not only keeps the plant compact, but also encourages new, healthy growth. Propagating Hummel's sunset is easy and rewarding. Take a 3-4 inch stem cutting or a healthy leaf, let it callus for a few days, then plant it in well-draining soil. Keep it in bright, indirect light and water lightly until new roots form. In a few weeks, you'll see baby plants begin to grow. Your own little golden jade family. Keep an eye out for mealybugs or spider mites. They're rare, but can happen. If you see them, gently wipe the leaves with a bit of neem oil or alcohol. The main thing to avoid is overwatering. That's the #1 cause of root rot. With the right care and a bit of sunlight, your Crassula Hummel's sunset will keep glowing with warmth and golden beauty all year long. Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow Succulents Box for more plant care tips. See you next time, and happy planting!
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.